This is a 2005 Jeep Wrangler TJ. It came factory with the 4.0 liter Dana 44 and the 6-speed manual. Let's get into today's video. All right, let's start out with the most common issue asked about. I hear a tapping noise. Now, there's, I would say, a few answers to this question of what it could be. First of all, it could be an exhaust leak. The exhaust manifolds on these Wranglers are known to crack. Same thing with the Cherokee, the 4.0. And it's usually right down in here, underneath of everything, where they collect together. That's usually where they crack. There's been a couple of different ways that Chrysler Jeep has tried to fix this, and to no avail. They still crack. Aftermarket ones, they still crack. There is one that you can get that kind of has like a little flexible area in it, and I would say that out of all the ones I purchased, those probably crack less. But that would be the first place that I would check, especially if it goes away after warm up or if it quiets down after warm up. So my engine is making a tapping or knocking noise, and I would say I would check the exhaust. Now I have an endoscope. I can run it, in different areas, bend the camera around. There's a couple of different angles I can get on the camera, and that really helps inspect the exhaust without having to getting underneath the Jeep or anything like that. You can also use a mechanic's stethoscope that will also help you narrow down the problem. So number one, check your exhaust. Make sure it's not an exhaust leak. They're also known to leak around the gasket here that goes in between the exhaust and the engine. As you can tell, mine is actually not factory. It's already been replaced. Another common reason for the tapping, knocking sound coming from the engine: cracked piston skirt. Now, cracked piston skirt will be a little harder to tell, but normally that noise does not go away. It comes at first start. It may get a little bit lower during warm up, but I've never seen a cracked piston skirt where the noise completely goes away. The way that I would check this to find out if it is a cracked piston skirt, normally I'll take out all the spark plugs and I'll take an endoscope or inspection camera and stick it down in the spark plug hole, and I'll have someone slowly and manually crank the engine for me with a breaker bar or a large ratchet. And usually if you have a cracked piston skirt, you will almost always see some type of vertical scarring on the cylinder walls, and you will also sometimes see the piston kind of shake around in there a little bit. That's how I would first check. You can also, if you have the inspection camera, do an oil change, drain the oil, and you can also stick the inspection camera up into the oil drain hole, and you can look for pieces of piston skirt in the oil pan. Another common issue for that tapping, knocking sound, especially on the 0506, is this OBDA, which is it's where the distributor used to be. It's not a distributor anymore. There is a camshaft position sensor on there, and what it does is it connects the camshaft to the oil pump. So basically when the camshaft turns, it turns this turns the oil pump. Now on the 0506, these had a very common problem where they weren't getting oil to the top of the unit because of a seal that they put in there that actually kept the oil from coming up into the unit and lubricating the top bearing. So the top bearing will fail, and normally they will whine. You can see mine is new. It's been replaced recently, and there's a video of that on there as well. And the reason why is because mine was actually making a tapping sound. It sounded just like that when the engine was running. And basically that shaft had enough play in it to where it was moving up and down, and it was actually causing it to create that sound. So that is another very common issue that causes this sound. The third would be lifters. And I know there's going to be people out there that say lifters never go bad in a 4.0. I've never seen a lifter go completely bad in a 4.0, but they do wear. So it is very possible that you could have some lifter noise. Now, what I will tell you about that is it's a very, very different sound. A lifter sounds more like, let me see if I can get this off real quick. Lifter sounds more like that, more like a high-pitched sound in the top of the engine. And the piston skirt sounds more like the more like it's lower in the engine. So a little bit deeper of a tap or knock when it comes from the pistons than it does when it's from the lifters. Now lifters, they are a lot less common than the piston skirt issue. And you know, a lot of people are going to say, you know, it's going to happen to every Jeep. You know, the piston skirt's going to break on every Wrangler. Personally, I have never had a piston skirt break. Until I have a piston skirt break in my Jeep, I'm going to say that it's probably due to abuse or neglect of the engine. And the number one cause that I feel that causes these piston skirts to break is the engine overheating. If you overheat the engine, I have a strong feeling that that is what's causing the piston skirts to crack and eventually fail. I believe that they are aluminum, the pistons in this engine, and aluminum does not take heat very well, especially if it gets extremely hot and then cooled. So I honestly think that if you have a tapping noise, more than likely it's the exhaust first. If it's not the exhaust, it could be the OPDA if you have the 0506. And if you have the older ones, pre-05, it could be the valve train. And usually it's pretty easy to tell about the valve train. It's not hard to get the valve covers off on these. Get the valve cover off and basically inspect the valve train that way. Sometimes the lifter noise will also get a little louder if you have the valve cover off. And there's plenty of videos online to show you how to do that. So there you go. This is the first video in the series. The most common question, number one on the, if it was a Billboard chart, you know, music awards, the Billboard Music Awards, that would be the number one single of all time. Why is my engine making this tapping or knocking noise? There you have it. The most commonly asked question about a problem online or on Facebook. Why does my engine tap or knock? Hope this video helps, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching